In this video, I will show you how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. For whatever reason you want to get rid of OneDrive, the process is quite easy to do. What you want to do first from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box you want to type File Explorer and then open up File Explorer underneath Best Match. Once your File Explorer has opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and you want to locate your OneDrive, which is going to be this picture of the OneDrive logo, and it's generally going to have your account name or something like that. Give that a click. Now what you're going to want to do first, once you've clicked onto your OneDrive, is right click onto your OneDrive logo in the menu on the left hand side, and on this menu that comes up you want to come and click where it says always keep on this device, and this just ensures that you don't lose anything before you remove your OneDrive. So it just takes a minute or two to do this, and once that's done what you can do is close this window down. Once you've done that, what you need to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here type remove programs, and then open up add or remove programs, which should now come up underneath Best Match. Now in here what you can do is come and use the search box at the top and type OneDrive, and as you can see it's going to come up. So all you need to do now is come over to the right hand side of this, click onto the three dots, click onto uninstall, then what you can do is just go through and uninstall OneDrive. So as you can see, we're just going to click to confirm the permission that comes up, and you can see that OneDrive is going to go ahead and uninstall. So we can double check this just by searching again for OneDrive. As you can see, it's no longer coming up. And that is how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.